Good day to everyone. Thank you for taking the time to look at this short video that I'm going to share with you. My name is Alex Chumesi. I come from a background previously as a civil servant. I worked in government for many years, moved on to work as a consultant with a government agency, currently run a consulting firm based in Accra, Ghana. What I'm going to share with you in the next few minutes is not going to take too much of your time. The next few minutes is such an amazing opportunity that I have come across. I came across this amazing concept roughly about 2 weeks ago. Now, when I first heard of this thing, I was completely blown away. Now, I took time to do a bit of online research to understand the space, to understand the industry. And when I started doing my online research, I came across several other platforms and business models that are similar to what I'm going to share with you. Now, if you are on this call and you are open to making a second stream of income, if you're on this call and you are open to making a little income with your capital and growing the business on the side, then welcome to this amazing opportunity that I'm going to share with you in the next few minutes. Now, I need you to sit back. I need you to relax as I'm going to share with you this amazing concept that I have for you today. So the name of this amazing concept is called Maticbot. Maticbot. Maticbot, it's an amazing concept where we are an exchange platform with integration, real-time arbitration of Bitcoin. Let me make it quite simple for you. Now, Maticbot is an exchange platform where you can simply exchange or trade your Bitcoins and be able to earn profit by doing so. Now, Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, and you, every single day, you have the opportunity to buy and sell and trade Bitcoin and earn profit by doing so. And this is called arbitrage, simply buying and reselling cryptocurrency and being able to profit by doing so. Now, it's an exchange platform just like the many exchange platforms that you know of. An example is Binance, POLONIEX, FTX, and many other exchange platforms that we have in the world. So is Maticbot, and there's no different. And you can participate in Maticbot by trading your cryptocurrency. Our mission is simple: to provide security and profitability for investors from cryptocurrency, and we aim to be the biggest platform currency exchange using operations automated systems all around the world. Now, let me make it simple. How does this work? When you are part of Maticbot or you set up your account on Maticbot, you are simply going to be able to have a wallet where you have control over your Bitcoins. Now, your Bitcoins, you get to trade with your Bitcoins and you profit every single day by trading your Bitcoin. Now, you get to deposit or withdraw any time at all that you decide to withdraw your Bitcoin. Now, the amazing thing is that we don't sell packages, we don't have monthly fees, and no abusive fees. Well, what does it mean? We have seen many platforms come and go. Platforms where you simply buy packages, and the packages you buy allow you to earn a certain guaranteed and fixed amount of interest or return at a certain period of time. Now, I have seen many of those schemes where they promise you 50%, 100%, and all kinds of percentages within a 30-day, a 60-day, and all of that. Maticbot is not like that. And hear me clear, Maticbot is not like that. What you are actually doing is that you are trading with your Bitcoin and you earn profit by doing so. No packages, you simply earn arbitrage profit. Now, maybe you are wondering, you are not educated, you are not skilled, you don't know how to trade Bitcoin. Don't worry, because our platform put together by experts, we have an AI bot system. AI simply means artificial intelligence bot system that is able to trade automatically for you 24/7, all throughout the day, Sunday, whether you are sleeping. The bot trades for you and allows you to earn arbitrage profits on your coins, and your profits are paid back to you in Bitcoin. So how do you get started? You sign up on our platform, okay, and create an account or have a wallet on our Maticbot platform. You can then transfer your Bitcoins from any exchange, Binance, and any of the exchanges that you're aware of, and then put your Bitcoin in your wallet, and then allow our automatic bot system to trade for you. The beauty of it is that you also can trade manually if you want to trade manually, but we have simplified the system such that anybody at all will be able to do so. Now, how much do you earn? You are going to earn 40% as an investor, and then 60% goes to our company. That is how our company makes money. Okay, so anytime we trade, the arbitrage profit that you earn, you're going to earn 40% of this. And I'm going to go live for you to see how it actually works. So we have automatic bots where we have $40 for 1 month, $80 for 3 months, $140 for 6 months. But all that it simply means that this robot is going to trade on your behalf, and whatever profit the bot earns through the arbitrage profit, you are going to earn 40% of that being accrued to you. So let me switch gears right now and show you how you can be part of this amazing concept. I'm going to show you my back office, and I'm going to show you a few things very, very shortly. So once again, I'm going to go through this and show you key points why I think Maticbot is unique. I hope you can see my screen. So what makes Maticbot unique? I have 5 key points I want to reiterate. Number 1, we don't sell investment packages with fixed guarantee returns or end of investment period specific guarantee. We don't have anything like that. Okay, so we trade, we make arbitrage profit, and we pay you. We are an exchange platform, meaning that you have control, and we are an exchange platform just like the Binance, POLONIEX, FTX, and many others. You can trace all transactions on blockchain. Now, we have seen many platforms that have been set up where you don't even see what is happening. But with us, you get to be able to see and track and trace your transactions on the blockchain, the motherboard where everything happens. Okay, you can withdraw your capital or profit at any point in time, and you have the option to trade manually or to get an AI bot to trade for you. Now, I'm going to switch gears again to the 3rd gear, where I'm going to show you how the back office looks like. In just 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how everything unfolds, just so that you can appreciate the beauty of our platform. So this is my back office. I hope you can see it. You can see my name in the top right corner here. So this is my Bitcoin that are currently, you see in progress here, means that it is being traded. My Bitcoins are being traded for me. Okay, and I started this business just about 2 weeks ago, and it has simply been amazing. So let me go to my trades just for you to see what is happening. So 3 times a day, the bot, okay, the robot bot trades on your behalf. It trades on your behalf, and all that it seeks to do is to buy low and sell high. Okay, as we will probably call in G or talk. And so you can see here on my screen how I have made profits. So this trade is currently ongoing, where I arbitrage profit of 1.49%. Okay, the previous one was 1.7, and all these rates you are seeing here are profit. Again, it's not guaranteed, fixed, or cast in stone, but the system picks arbitrage profits and trades your Bitcoins on your behalf. Now, these are all rates, and as it trades, you can see my Bitcoins increasing. And the beauty of it is that when one trade ends, the system picks both your principal or your capital with the profit you've earned from that trade, and then rolls it over to the next trade. What does it mean? Compound. You are actually compounding and building your capital through daily trade that happens every 8 hours throughout the day. And this has been the amazing story. Apart from that, you also get to see financial statement where you have every record there that shows all the transactions that is happening. Now, I'm going to take you back for 1 minute and show you how you can actually track or trace your investment on the blockchain. 1 minute, and I'm just going to show you. So anytime you click any trade, okay, this is a trade that has completed where I earn about 1.7%. And you open it, you can actually see what happened. So we bought Binance and we sold Bitfinex, okay, and then we made a profit of 1.7% on this particular trade. You can click here, blockchain, and actually it will take you to the blockchain platform where you get to see the URL here. You get to see real details of how the transaction happened and everything that you need to do. This is simply amazing. You know, I saw this and I was super, super excited. And you can be part of it and you can track or trace every single trade that happened. You can see your financial statement here and every single detail here. You can transfer your profit, you can transfer your capital, you have control over your money, and this is amazing. If you're like me, you have a few friends you like to share this concept with, we also pay you profits, okay? Anytime you refer anybody to this amazing business, we pay from 1 to 5%. We pay from 1 to 5% of the profits that of the downlines or the people that you introduce. We are not paying you a percentage of their capital. So their money also goes to trade for them. They earn their full profits. However, for you, for referring these people into this business, we pay you from 1 to 5% of the profits that they make. So they make profits and we pay part of it to you, okay, for referring them. And this is a unilevel structure and it goes 5 levels deep. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can keep profiting from that. So this is just a quick snapshot of everything that we do. And I hope this has been helpful. I want to invite you to our next Zoom presentation happening live. And then we're going to share amazing success stories with you. Now, right on this call is such an amazing friend and a brother. I have so much respect for him. I've known him for a couple of years. He's been a mentor. He's been a brother. He's been a friend. He introduced me to this amazing concept. It's called Papa Kobina. I call him PK for short. He has been part of this concept. He's rocking this thing like no other person and making amazing results. I wanted him to share his story right from deep within his heart and tell you why you should be part of this concept and what this business has done for him. PK, can you hear me?
Yes, oh, my honorable Uncle Alex, Senior Lexus. Charlie, you are a serious presenter. I didn't know, Charlie, you have things hiding under your sleeves like that. So I'm going to tell the team guys that, Charlie, they need to, you see, today you were added to the training platform. As if I knew that, Charlie, you are such a wonderful presenter. So I did the right thing. So please prepare yourself. Moving forward, you'll be doing presentation. The succinct way in which you really hit this thing in the right spot. I'm seriously amazed. I mean, you went straight to the point, and the main points have all been captured in the presentation. And I think that is exactly what we are looking for from a presenter of your caliber. We really do appreciate having you in this program. And I know you're going to help us and support us to take this business to the next level. So, Uncle Alex, talking about Maticbot, in fact, the truth of the matter is, this is the first time I am coming face to face with a program like this. And I would say over and over again, let me correct myself. I wouldn't use the word program the next time again. I would say project. In the short video that was sent to us by the CEO, Paul B., he made reference to the word project. He never said this is a program. He said this is a project, which means where this thing is going to, we have no idea. We have no idea. Maticbot is going to grow bigger and bigger. We have just started. Like somebody would say, we ain't seen nothing yet. Maticbot is going to grow to become the biggest exchanger you can ever see on this earth. So Binance should really stand well because Maticbot is coming. Very soon, you will not be hearing of Binance anymore. What you'll be hearing is Maticbot as the biggest exchanger in the world. And please watch out for that. So we found Maticbot not quite long ago. I personally started Maticbot in the month of April. I think, if I'm not mistaken, and that should be either 2nd, 3rd, or 4th of April. And at that time, it was like I was the first person who was starting this in Ghana, and I was quite skeptical. So I told myself, hey, don't rush sharing this opportunity with people, because the whole story that is being told over is about scam. Everybody tells you his story and say, hey, you have no idea how I have been scammed. Then the monies I have lost in these programs and so forth. Me, online program, this is my last. Kai, I won't do again. That is the stories that we hear. I personally have said over and over again that, hey, CWC was one of the last online programs that I did where I lost about $2,000. I said I will never forget this. So with online programs, I had really putting them far away from me. So when I saw Maticbot, I was a bit skeptical. I said, hey, let me take my time. So let me try this for myself, like for 1 week or 2 weeks. Let me see how things are going, and then I can start referring people to it. But Charlie, I couldn't hold it all. I did only just like 1 week, and I started sharing the thing. Because of what I was seeing, Charlie, it was crazy. So I quickly shared with one friend, Daniel Ayanga, and he couldn't help it. Quickly, he also shared it with another guy. And today, Maticbot is all over Ghana. It's all over Ghana. If I tell you the number of people who have entered into Maticbot, you wouldn't believe it now. It's all over. They are spreading it to UK. They're spreading it to South Africa. They're spreading it to Dubai. I have guys who are building solid teams in South Africa, in Dubai. They started building in Nigeria, and it's going haywire. So, guys, this is the right time. This is the right time to join this amazing opportunity. When I started with just 0.002 BTC. At that time, it was $117 because BTC was somewhere around 62,000. So 0.002 BTC was around $117. And you wouldn't believe it. In just about 15 days, my brother, just 15 days, when people started coming under me, in 15 days, I had made almost $1,500 with just $117. I shared that story. I'll look for it. I'll look for it and send it to you. I shared that story on one of the platforms. It was crazy. I was like, what is this? In just 15 days with $117, I'm clocking almost $1,500. This is crazy. That was when I woke up and I said, hey, no, I don't need to sit down on this wonderful opportunity. So I started sharing it like crazy. And that is how come you, Mr. Alex, today you find yourself in Maticbot.
It's amazing.
So if you really want to hear much more of my story, then you need to join our presentation coming Sunday. This coming Sunday, 7 p.m. It is going to be fireworks. It is going to be fireworks. And I'm sure Mr. Alex is going to share this with all of you guys. So please, 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 when you hear...
You're muted, Papa. You're muted.
Hurry up and take steps. Amazing. To register yourself in Maticbot and get your share of the Bitcoin. Thank you, Mr. Alex, for the wonderful opportunity you just gave me.
I salute you, PK, and thank you for sharing your story and jumping on. God bless you richly. So next on the call, definitely not the least, have so much respect for him. He's somebody that I admire greatly from a distance. He's called Daniel Tufo, popularly called Elder Tufo. He doesn't take his name lightly, and somebody called Elder, you should know where he comes from. So he's been part of this amazing concept. He's building teams in Germany. He's building teams all over Ghana. And I know, let him share his story and you will listen more. Elder, are you on the call? Can you hear me? You can please unmute yourself and please share your amazing story with the audience in 2 minutes.
All right. all right, Mr. Alex. I'm so grateful for the opportunity to share testimony concerning this particular business, and it's been awesome so far. I am yet to be 2 months in the system. I think I began in May. In May, I think that was the first. Is it 20? No. I think 1st of May, and so far so good. Before then, there were a number of companies we have really been into. Most of those companies turn out to be scams. Companies that promised us of ROI, some promised us of paying us 2% every day, 3% every day, 1% every day. And if I'm talking about the amount of money that I have really lost in these ROI companies, aside that, for us, we are people that when we see opportunity, we don't hide it. We really want to share with some people as well. And it ends up something else. And it's like you are even the CEO of the company. You see, sometimes if things happen like that, it becomes something else. But by the grace of God, my upline, Mr. Henry, before then, we had been into one company that have scammed us with thousands of dollars in that particular business opportunity. So he communicated to me about this particular business. I said, no, Mr. Henry, I think I'm fed up with ROI companies. He said, no, this is not even an investment company. This is an exchanger. I said, how long has this been in the system? Is it like Binance? And not that. He said it's like Binance, but this is young. You see, and I was a little bit skeptical about it until when I came on board. I began initially, for me, I began with 926 USD at a go. I began with $926, and I wanted to find out exactly. I didn't want to introduce anybody, but I wanted to find out how much I will be earning before I connect others to this particular good news. And you know something, just some few days, BTC dipped, and I had not yet understood the system, how it works. And I was like, should I withdraw my money? Because I began with $926. And when BTC dipped, I realized I checked the money, and then it has reduced to $600. I said, wow, is this business something that's going to change my life? Until I realized that, wow, this thing is increasing my BTC every 8 hours. So imagine if I began with about, as at that time, when I was joining the system, BTC was around 54,000 USD. And I am just a little close to 2 months. I think I'm 1 month and about 27 days or so in the system. So I won't say I am 2 months. I am almost 2 months in the system. Can you imagine? Mm-hmm. Today, when I checked, the $926 that I began with has grew to $3,300. And I'm like, wow, this is awesome. This is serious. This is serious. And one thing about this business is you can track it on the blockchain. And for me, as soon as I realized that you can track your transactions on the blockchain, I said to myself, why won't I then connect people to this particular opportunity? Because blockchain doesn't lie. Blockchain doesn't have any association with Maticbot, for which Maticbot will collaborate with them and says that, the transaction should be reported on your website or something. No. Anytime there is a transaction going on, the blockchain is able to record it. Transactions that have been there, not on Maticbot platform, but even maybe you have some transaction on Coinbase on your blockchain and all that. such transactions, even if you did it 2009, you will still be able to trace such transactions on the blockchain. And for me, this particular business, as soon as there is trading, you realize that you can really trace your transaction on the blockchain. And for me, that is very, very, very powerful. So actually, that is what actually encouraged me to be part of Maticbot. And when I started introducing people, the amount of returns that is coming, it's amazing. So whoever that is listening to me, I don't want to speak plenty because my boss has really spoken. And it is an opportunity that is going to change our lives. We've not seen anything yet. Then somebody was asking me, so can this particular business turn people to be millionaires in the next 6 months? I said it's too much. 6 months is even too long. I'm telling you, my boss. Imagine if somebody even trade with 5,000 USD. In the next 6 months, the person is making over $80,000. $80,000. Somebody who began with $100, if let's assume the person doesn't even have money, he begins with $100. In the next 1 year, the person is making no less than $20,000. You see, within 6 months, the person is making the person is making about $1,300 for even beginning with just $100.
Yeah.
And for me, this is amazing. This is a great opportunity. We shouldn't play with at all. And I believe God that most of the a lot of money that we have, a lot of companies have scammed us. By avenue of this particular business, we are really going to touch a lot of lives and recover our losses in no time. So let's keep on, let's push it. I so much believe that the grace of God will help us, and then we will make it big in this business. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, guys. I'm super excited. You know what? It's been awesome having us all on the call. As we end off, I just want to encourage you to join our weekly Zoom presentations. Okay, get in touch with the person who invited you to the Zoom and get started. I started with a very, very small amount, and after a few days of seeing the profit and seeing the growth in my Bitcoins, I could not sleep, and I knew that this was the deal. So get started right now. Don't wait. With any amount that you can start and you can afford, and let us help you to grow your business and grow your Bitcoin and earn some money whilst also blessing it forward. God bless you, and thank you so much for taking the time to listen to this presentation. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Uncle Alex.
Bye-bye.
Aiko,
Thank you
other
very much.
people, wonderful. Have a wonderful night, huh?